An oatmeal cookie recipe calls for a half a cup of butter to make 3 dozen cookies. Brianna needs to make 10 dozen cookies for the bake sale. How many cups of butter will she need? Okay. So what we're going to do is set up equal fractions. It's a half a cup of butter for 3 dozen cookies. Let's write that. Half a cup of butter. And you don't have to write all the words. I'm just doing it to make it really clear. Half a cup of butter for 3 dozen cookies. Yeah. I keep doing that, don't I? All right, there we go. 3 dozen cookies equal. And then the other side, Brandon needs to make 10 dozen cookies. Where's that going to go? Well, I happen to put the dozen cookie thing on the bottom. So you got to put it on the bottom over here. You got to be consistent. 10 dozen. Like that. And on the top, it'll be X cups of butter. Like that. Now, in case you're wondering, you think, Mr. Shouldn't we 3 dozen? Shouldn't we go 3 times 12 and get 36 cookies? And then over here, 10 dozen, 10 times 12, get 120 cookies. You could totally do that if you prefer. Yeah. My point is it's going to work either way. It'll work either way. You can just leave it as 3 dozen and 10 dozen, or you can actually find out that's 36 cookies and whatever, 120 cookies. It'll work either way. Just be consistent. Just do them both or do neither. It'll work either way. All right, so I have 2 equal fractions. How do I solve this equation with 2 equal fractions? You're going to cross multiply, diagonal. So I'm going to take a half times 10, a half times 10. It's going to equal 3 times x. 3 times x. All right. Now, what's half of 10? It's 5, huh? Half of 10 is 5. Just use your calculator if you're not sure. But I think you know. Half of 10 is 5, right? And now, how do you finish solving for x? Divide by 3. Boom, boom. Now, I've got a fraction. I don't know if they want a fraction answer on this one or a decimal. Let me go double check on this one. Do they want a fraction or an yeah, looks like they want a fraction. So I think they'll take it either way. Let me see. Yeah, they'll take a decimal or a fraction. It looks like. It would be for sure with you. Yeah, let me see. What if you have a decimal that goes on 1.8? So 1.8. Yeah, they'll take it either way. So I'm just going to give the answer 5/3. But if you, or if you want to type it in your calculator, it's 1.66667. They'll take it either way. Either way, they'll take it. That's how much butter you need. 5/3 of a cup or 1.6667. Either way, they'll take it. That's how many cups of butter that Brianna needs to make her 10 dozen cookies. So there we go.